Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is Shop Wolf. So let's check out the details of this website. Like if you are curious to know about unbiased review, just watch this video. This seems to be an e-commerce site that claims to offer the most intriguing dresses collection for men and women, including other clothing collection. The women's collection of the store has different types of dresses in Wolf shop, namely bottom, jumpsuits, jackets, long wears, night suits, outwears, etc. Let's check out the specification of shopwoof.com. It is 7th month and 16 days old website. HTTP secure website, and it is offering designers men's and women clothing. The email address which they are mentioning is matching the domain name, that is info@shopwolf.in, and it is can be a positive sign. They have mentioned the physical address and contact details, like it is India based platform. The payment method which they are accepting are Visa card, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard, and they are also offering cash on delivery. No return of any product is accepted. The site does not give any refund on any item. As far as exchange policy is concerned, the exchange of sizes can be done within 48 hours after receiving the products. All the items are dispatched and shipped within 48 to 72 hours. Delivery of the product may take 7 to 14 days. The pros of ShopWolf.com are online. It is an online selling website. Provides unique and designer dresses for both men and women. It supplies items at an affordable rate. The portal gives cash on delivery option too, along with debit cards payment. The negative point of ShopWolf.com are no refunds are given, no return policy in any product or order in Wolf shop. Inadequacy of vision and aim information in the section of About Us. No social icons of Wolf shop. Missing reviews and comments. Alexa rank not allowed. So question is Wolf shop Wolf legit? So while checking out the list, Macy, we have checked certain facts, like it is less than 1 year old website, 65% of trust score out of 100, no updates by customer about the store's usefulness, no Alexa ranking is allotted, strict return and refund policy. The store's name does not display on Google Map, though the given address can be doubtful. It is not active on social medias. At the present, that the customer update about Shop Wolf store is not updated on any reviewing store yet. So the website lacks legitimate nature here. Many online site proves to be scam, but you can check out the details on your own. So as we have checked this website on our behalf thoroughly, and we share the details with you, though this company is attractive and impressive look wise, but it does not have some it does have some negative points. These points we have already discussed with you. So we can say that it can not be a trustworthy website. We are not recommending you at all, but if you have a personal experience of shopping from shopwolf.in, please share your views with us regarding this website. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.